Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by powering the speaker and getting devices ready. Charge the Clip 2 and confirm the LED behavior. A solid white means ready. Turn on your phone's Bluetooth and keep it within about 10 meters. Press and hold the Clip 2 power button for 1 to 2 seconds. The LED will flash, indicating pairing mode. Once done, make sure no other nearby JBL devices are actively pairing, because they can steal focus and prevent your device from seeing the Clip 2. You now handle the pairing sequence. Press the Bluetooth button until the LED blinks rapidly. That's explicit pairing mode. On your phone or tablet, open Bluetooth settings and scan. Select JBL Clip 2 from the list when it appears. If asked to confirm, accept pairing, there's typically no PIN required. After pairing, the LED should become steady or stop fast blinking, and your device will show connected. Make sure the Clip 2 is set as the audio output so sound routes correctly. You finish by verifying audio and adjusting volumes. Set your phone volume and then the Clip 2 volume to match. If you don't hear sound, make sure the Clip 2 is selected as the output on your device. If pairing fails, power cycle both the speaker and your device and repeat pairing. For persistent issues, perform a reset, power off. Then press and hold the volume up and Bluetooth buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds to clear previous pairings. This often resolves stubborn connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.